Well, here is my crop. My huge crop of carrots. I call it my bucket o' carrots. Let's do some harvesting.
Well, it's September 24th, and a lot of my garden did not grow. I tried the upside down tomatoes. They did not grow. The tomatoes that did grow, they tasted horrible. It was a very cold and wet summer, so once again things just didn't grow. And once again it seems our autumn is quite nice. I am going to harvest my experiment of growing carrots in a bucket, because since they worked, next summer I'm going to grow them in large buckets, and maybe over the winter inside in a few buckets. But I'm going to harvest them, and I'm going to cut the tops off and then dig up and see what I got for carrots. Anyways, on with the adventure. I have my official harvesting pail, just like with the potatoes. Here's a nice big one. Now, once again, this was just an experiment, and like the upside down tomatoes, unlike the upside down tomatoes, an experiment that worked out.
There. Not a lot of carrots, but a nice little snack for me. Now, once again, I wasn't growing them for food, but I was growing them as an experiment. I had half of this pail full of carrots. So, if I use a big tote, one of those big 40-gallon totes, you use for carrying things. If I have, 5 or 6 of those next summer with carrots, I should get a lot more than this. Anyways, that's another part of my fall harvest. Well, here it is. My snack. Carrots from my own carrots from my own pail. They're pail carrots or bucket carrots. Well, 3 months' work, a little snack. I guess I'll have to learn a bit more before I start feeding myself this way. Still, they do taste yum.